Hello my friends, I am Marietta and I welcome you to Marietta's Art Show. Today I'm going to show you how I made this piece. I called it Misty Rose. The reason I called it Misty, obviously it's very soft and welcoming and it softens up any space that you put it into. It's just a beautiful color combination. But the gold that I added is a rose gold. So it's not a pure gold, looks a little too much like yellow. As most of you know by now, I don't like yellow too much. So I try to make it a little bit different, and rose gold is absolutely gorgeous and beautiful. And it has a little bit of shimmer of rose in it. So I added some rose colored glass as well as opal glass and also a ton of reflective glass, and it's just stunning. I just love it. It would be really beautiful in a bedroom or any room that you want to make soft and welcoming. Let's go ahead and watch the video and I'll see you after. Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed my video and I hope you enjoyed the color combination. I certainly have moods where I just want to make softer pieces and not these bright in your face pieces, which are absolutely gorgeous as well as far as the color combination and all the different designs. But this one I just felt a little bit more subdued and soft. Anyway, I really appreciate you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It helps me spread the love of art to as many people as I can. Thank you so much for watching. Bardzo dziękuję. Until next time. See you then.